proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this tutorial, I'll be explaining how to write IMEI to a Spreadtrum Android device using Write IMEI tool. First, you need to boot the device into Diag mode and connect to PC. You should have this under Device Manager. Next, you launch Write IMEI.exe. Under Device Manager, you take note of the ports. Here I have COM63, so you come on that port and you select COM63. You click on Mode Select and tick Normal Mode, then click Select. Next, you click Read and you should have the device info displayed. Now to write IMEI, you copy the IMEI you wish to write and you paste under the IMEI fields. Now you click on Write and you should have a pass message. If you wish to write other addresses like Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi address, serial number, you come under Select and here you can tick the appropriate boxes. Once you are done, you click on Save and the other addresses will be enabled. So that's how to write IMEI to a Spreadtrum Android device using Write IMEI tool.